What's up, guys? Today we are done with this shower right behind me, and we're going to be installing some Schluter shelves in the new wave design, which looks like this. Okay, so these shelf E from Schluter have a couple of tabs on both sides. They're about 1/16 of an inch thick, and they go right into the grout joint. Of course, you can do it in the middle of the tile, but it's always easier to just dig out grout than it is cutting out tile. But if you want a more specific height, then you could always just cut in the slots with your grinder and a vacuum. What's great about these shelves is that it can be done after the fact, and as long as you're careful not digging in too deep, you're not going to disrupt the waterproofing that's been done previously. Also, if you did a Schluter drain, you can pick the same color as the drain grate, and then they will be matching. The only thing you need to do is, like I said before, dig out the grout or cut a slot in the tile so that these can slide in. And then after you slide them in, make sure they have 1/8 of an inch drop towards the front so that water can just escape and you don't have a puddle right in this corner. Once you put them in, all you have to do is caulk around them. I use the same grout caulk to match the grout that we use in the shower, and then they're going to be secured in forever. It's pretty easy, right? If you made it this far, you might as well just subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell.